everybody, I'm Nicole Jackson, the Director of Catering for CoreLife Eatery. Today I am going to take you through everything that I'm taking out of my pantry and everything that I'm going to replace it with to prepare me for the 21-day challenge. So as you can see here, we seem to have collected some goodies over the holiday season, whether it's soda, candy, chips, and other snacks that I'm really going to clear out so I don't end up going for these throughout the 21 days. I'm going to replace that though with some items that I can keep in my pantry to really help me put together quick and easy meals and snacks throughout the days ahead, so I'm really set up for success. I'm going to start here with cooking oil. So some favorite oils of mine to keep on hand is this coconut oil nonstick cooking spray, great for eggs, items that you don't want to stick to the pan, also baking. Here I also have just a regular coconut oil. You can actually add that to smoothies and things too. It has a lot of health properties to it. And then also avocado oil and olive oil, great for dressings and sauteing. I also here have Himalayan sea salt, good black pepper as well, to add a lot of flavor to your meals. I also love this 21 seasoning saute from Trader Joe's. I love that for sauteing vegetables. It adds a lot of great flavor to them. And I generally look to reduce my sugar intake, as we all are, so I kind of like to swap up my ketchup. If I don't have this in my fridge or my pantry already, this is like an unsweetened ketchup. It doesn't have any added sugar. The sugar in it is from the tomatoes only. So it's great to be able to kind of look to, save on that sugar where you can. We also love heat in this house, so we love, hot sauce to add. Again, no added sugar there. And some gluten-free soy sauce is great too. You can whip up a quick stir fry with, some chicken and vegetables and some rice. Makes for a really good meal. And then also some other items I can use to add quick, bits of flavor, like roasted red peppers and some olives. Great to add to a salad with some protein. It's really nice to be able to kind of round out the flavor in the meal. And then also some tomato sauce. I tend to buy just regular tomato sauce that I can control the sugar content and the flavor of. And then diced tomatoes is a great option. Different types of beans. You can throw together a quick chili. Also some gluten-free oats to keep on hand for breakfast. Some different nut butters, peanut butter, almond butter. Great for a snack with like half an apple if you get hungry. And then also I like to keep some good dressings on hand that have good quality ingredients. I love to make my own dressing, but sometimes I just don't have time. So to keep some dressings on hand that are low in sugar, don't have a lot of additives, are really good options. We love balsamic vinaigrette in this house. And then also, to be able to make some quick and easy meals, I love to have items like potatoes, sweet potatoes, onions, garlic on hand. And then also some different rices too. So this is like a wild rice. This is like a jasmine rice blend. Also some gluten-free rice noodles, are a good option. And I love to make those with chicken broth. It actually adds a lot of flavor. So I always keep a couple cartons of chicken broth in my pantry. And then also I have some unsweetened coconut. It's great to add to yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast. And chia seeds have a really good nutritional punch, whether it's to smoothies, on top of yogurt, or also your oatmeal as well. And it's some different types of nuts. Talk about nuts in the grocery haul, but these are great, pantry staples to keep for snacks for the whole family. And then lastly, I do keep some good baking flour substitutes, to be able to whip together more of a whole food pancake for my kids or muffins. This is an einkorn flour, which is an ancient grain, freshly ground flour, almond flour, cassava flour, or coconut flour are also really good options too. So there you have it. These are going to be staple items I'm going to keep in my pantry to help me through the 21 days. I hope that you found this helpful, and I wish you a great 21-day journey. So these are the items that I'm going to stock my pantry with for the 21-day challenge. I hope you have a good time cleaning out your pantry and restocking it too, and I hope this video helped, and I wish you a great 21-day challenge ahead.